Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best TRX mining website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your email, enter your phone number, enter your password, the invitation code and click on sign up. So wait, let me sign up. So after that, this is the TRX 10 TRX, and here you can see the home section. It's loading, so I click on confirm. After that, here you can see sign in my team, recharge, withdraw, register app and activity, and add about us. And this is the tron 8 cloud mining cycle. 1 day 5% cycle, interest rate cycle 1 day 10% interest rate, initial amount 10,000 TRX. This is the 6% risk, 30-day cycle 10,000, all about this. Here this is the wealth section. You can see the TRX cloud mining A, cloud mining B, interest rate, cloud mining 30 interest rate, and all about this. And there is the live chat. You can see here you can contact with customers if you have any queries. This is the account section. Here you will see the recharge and withdraw. So I click on my investment cycle. Here you can check the investment list. Here you can see your wallet, recharge, withdrawal. So now I will tell you how to recharge. So I click on recharge. Here I enter the amount 10. Here I method select, click on next step. So after clicking on next step, I click on send code. So wait. After that, I click on confirm. Here the withdrawal verify email is verified, so it takes 5 to 10 seconds. So wait. So here you can see this. I copy this address and go to my wallet. Wait. After that, I click on tron. Here I fill the address and here I fill the amount. So I click on continue. So after click on continue, it takes 5 to 10 seconds. So wait for the transaction completed. So here you can see my transaction is completed. Now I go back to website back. After that, I click on submitted. So here you can see the registration is successfully in system, give you 10. So wait for the transaction completed. So wait. So here you can see withdrawal amount. You can set up withdrawal also. Here I set, here I withdrawal amount 10. Please select a wallet, add new word. Here you can add this and click on submitted. Here withdrawal is select, so I click on this. Here is withdrawal limit is sent, so I click on submitted. Here I enter the password. So is this done? This cannot be 10. So that's all about the video. I all explain in details. Here you can see the withdrawal record, account setting and all about this. There the wealth, life and home section you can see. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.